What's the meaning of AWACS? AWACS. AWACS.
AWACS. AWACS. AWACS stands for Airborne Warning and Control System. It is a type of aircraft that is equipped with advanced radar and communication systems, designed to provide intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) capabilities to military forces. The AWACS aircraft are used for a variety of missions, including air defense, command and control, and search and rescue. They are particularly valuable for detecting enemy aircraft at long ranges and providing early warning to military commanders. Overall, the AWACS aircraft play a critical role in modern warfare by enhancing situational awareness and improving the effectiveness of military operations.